This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping mobile app. This app is used to purchase all your household grocery products at a very competitive rate. Welcome to Digital Learners channel. In this video, let us see how to add a glitch text effect in your Hostinger website builder. First, I go to google.com and type Hostinger. I click on the first link. Now, in the Hostinger panel, I log in using my Gmail account. On the left hand side, I click on websites and websites list. Here, I click on the website which is built using Hostinger website builder. I click on edit website. Now, my website has been opened. Here, I click on add a section. I click on a blank section. Here, I adjust the section height using the arrow keys. Now I click on add elements, drag and drop the embed code into the newly added section. I close this window. Here, I click on enter code. I delete the default code and copy the code which is on the notepad. Copy and paste the code here. Here, on the H1 heading, for the your text here, I replace the your text here as look for quality products. Now I click on embed code. Now you can see the glitter effect has been successfully added to our newly added section. I adjust the width of the text and the section height. I drag and drop the content to the center of the page. Now I click on preview to see the changes. This is how our website looks after the update. When everything is okay, you can just click on update website. Now our website changes has been published. I click on visit site. So this is how our website looks after the code. So in this way, you can easily add an glitch effect into your Hostinger website builder. Thank you.